The GWTPMSM is built for durability and a secure fit. Before we program it, we need to make sure it is installed correctly into the wheel. Let's go over the proper installation steps to ensure a tight, leak-free seal every time. First, we need to take out everything. Pre-tighten the sensor name part with the stem not too tight and screw the nut cap. Mount the sensor on the ring, mount the metal screw nut. We need to make sure the sensor base stays still. Then tighten the screw to approximately 4 Newton meters using a torque screwdriver. Then we need to use a 12mm socket wrench to complete the final step. Still, we need to make sure the sensor base stays still. It's done. The GWTPMSM is now securely installed. With the correct torque applied and a solid fit confirmed, you can move on to programming and relearn with complete confidence.